Hi, my name is Bill Feaver, and I'm a member of the Home Business Academy, an affiliate member, and I just wanted to share a couple of things with you. Tell you a little bit about the Home Business Academy. The Home Business Academy is developed to provide a funnel product, a funnel builder for your online marketing business or any online business, and to help you. It's a tool to help you develop your business. As well as being a tool, it is also an affiliate product where you can earn income off of. And also there's some trainings that go along with this, which we call HBA Premium, where they teach you about marketing businesses online. And these are a series of a huge assortment of videos that deal with marketing in all kinds of ways. Marketing with buying traffic, by marketing on social media, by marketing on almost every form of social media, and also then it can be used in a wide array of businesses. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. The people that we have in our business there's a lot of community there and a lot of connectedness, and the amount of instruction you get from the people that are very successful in a variety of businesses is a big help in getting started on any business, and especially in this business. So the two main tools you need are a funnel and an autoresponder. And so the Home Business Academy provides the funnel builder, and the funnel builder is remarkable. It has a lot of templates, a lot of different things that will help you to quickly develop a funnel for all kinds of things that you might need in any business. And so I just want to share that with you. There's some unique things, like one member has a cooking subscription where they have a weekly or monthly class to dealing with cooking and recipes, and they market it through the Home Business Academy. Plus, it's also been used to develop traffic and business for real estate agents, for people that are therapists, people with dance studios, people of all kinds of, any kind of idea that you might want. Personally, I'm trying to work on some ideas on dealing with marketing an assortment of children's books. And I know the Home Business Academy and the Home Business HBA Funnel Builder can help me with that, as well as with me making money as an affiliate too. I just wanted to share those couple of things with you, and I wanted to show you, see if I can share the screen and share. Let's see, here we go. Share, here we go. Let me see if I can close that. I just wanted to share with you the Funnel Builder Academy and show you what's provided in it. It has welcome, and they have community groups. There's social media groups. There are every morning there's a mindset chat or meeting. There's an over-the-shoulder meetings with some of the top earners in our community. There's weekly meetings where you can go and talk to the people that are really doing well, and you can get answers to a lot of their questions. Then then there's videos on setting up your funnel, on how to operate it, what to do, selling your products, on and on. Look at all the different things you have. And there's live coaching through a Telegram that you can connect with, so that you can ask questions as you get to problems. So I just wanted to share some of those things with you, and let you know that that is what I'm trying to do, and I wanted to share it with you, and let you know that if you have any questions, to get a hold of me. This is. Please share this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and look at the connections, the links I have posted below that might help you in addition to what I just showed you. So if you all have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.